This is a short demonstration of the WVU Libraries catalog, WorldCat Discovery. This is the online tool that helps you find books, videos, and more. Begin at the WVU Libraries homepage, library.wvu.edu. Select the Books Media tab above the center search box. Type in a few words that best describe your topic. I'm going to imagine that I want books about the musical Singin' in the Rain. I type in the title and put quotation marks around my keywords because I want the catalog to find this exact phrase. Like most databases and search engines, I get the number of results, the list of results, and filters to help manage the results. In this list view, you see titles, authors and other people, the format and year of publication, and the location details. The filters on the left help you manage the results. If you're only looking for books in the Format section, deselect Video option. If you want only online results, choose the Full Text option. To see more information about a resource, you need to open the full catalog record by clicking on the title. Open View Description, and you'll see the table of contents and a short summary. You also see more information about the location. Notice that this book happens to be located at the downtown campus library. You have two ways of getting this book. You can write down the call number, PN 1997 S5133 H47 2009, go to the downtown campus library and pull the books from the library stacks. Or you can use the Book Express Plus service to have the book transferred to your preferred WVU Morgantown library. The Book Express Plus service will get the book to your preferred pickup location, usually by the next business day. To use this service, click on the blue button, log in with your WVU credentials, choose the pickup location, and click Submit. Bring your Mountaineer ID card with you when you come to the library to check out the book. If you need even more books on your topic, use the filters on the left to expand your search to libraries worldwide. Now I have over 3,000 results to choose from. When you find a title that looks useful, but is not owned by the WVU Libraries, open the full record, scroll down and use the Request Iliad button to request this book through interlibrary loan. In a week to 10 days, we'll receive this book from another library system. We'll send you an email notifying you when the book is available for you to check out.